get all this achieved.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today enhanced the honorarium for Anganwadi workers and launched the CM Cares. Addressing the gathering, he said that Anganwadi workers, along with village health functionaries, are agents of social change, mobilizing community support for better care of children and women at the village level. The Chief Minister said that the enhancement of the honorarium is a small token of appreciation for the selfless and dedicated service and ensure them support in their work. The honorarium is enhanced by Rs 1,500 for the Anganwadi workers, by Rs 750 for mini Anganwadi workers and by Rs 500 per month for helpers with effect from 1st October 2022. Meanwhile, under CMK, the financial benefit for infants, single mothers and disabled, which was Rs 500 per month, is now increased to Rs 750 with effect from 1st October 2022.